excited and I am happy. Dahil talaga nagpapakita ng gilas sa ating mga girls. The game highlights brought to you by Smart Live More. Throughout 2 sets, it's all about being all in. Para dito sa Team Pilipinas, everyone just chipping in, whether it's the offensive production, it's Gia Morado helping out with the digs, it's Denden Lazaro with those bump sets, it's the double blocks on the attacks nitong Malaysia, and of course, when everyone is all in, a bigger chance to win.
In the case of the second set, James, pati ang Malaysia chipping in because of all of their unforced errors, even that last unforced error there, the bad offensive play, gave us the easy win for that second set. It wasn't easy in the beginning. No? They really were fighting. Medyo lumalapit sila sa pagdating sa score. It wasn't as easy for us to finish that off. But again, we're seeing a very a more composed, a more put-together Philippine team compared to Malaysia. At nahihirapan ang kanilang star player, si Low, ng Mei-Ching Low ng Malaysia to really just take on the role of getting the team, the points for the team. It's just you cannot count on just one person. Ganun ang nangyayari sa Malaysia. On the other hand, the Philippines able to distribute the points among all of their players. Nakita natin si Eliza Valdez towards the end of the second set na napakita earlier. It was Jovelyn Gonzaga who was killing it for us. Of course, Jaja Santiago. Everybody with a smile while doing it.
All the fans loving it, lalo na yung ating mga kababayan, ating mga kapatid.
Naku, napakadami niyan, ano? It cost 10 Singapore dollars to watch it there. Imagine, nasa mga 400 pesos lang yan.
Pero sulit bayad.
Oo, naku. Ang dami kong kilalang talagang magbabayad ng ganyang klase para lang mapanood ng live itong Team Pilipinas. But of course, the second best thing is to watch it here with us over Action TV. We're glad to have this game live for you this morning.
Yes, very happy that we are finally getting the speed. An excellent execution for Malaysia.
Malaysia showing off. Meron din kami noon. That was Shunting Be, the team captain of Malaysia.
Sabi niya kanina, nadali ako ng running attack ni Dindin sa Tiago Manawan. This time, Malaysia, with variety in their offense.
You can almost hear Rachel Dakis telling herself, naku, sayang nandun ako. Pero yan was first point. She'll get it the next time.
Look Tek Eng with the service combination play. Valdez off the blocker, doesn't fall. Back row naman mula sa Malaysia. Lazaro was there.
Ever dependable Lazaro there, setting things up. And pinatay ni Gonzaga. Coming from her favorite spot, of course. Very efficient as a utility player kasi nga kaliwete.
Definitely one of the best, a lethal
Down
lefty.
the line. Kita mo naman. May dalawang blocker doon in her face, but she paid no mind.
Service brought to you by Smart Live More.
Narinig yun galing dito, no? Dumagundong yun. Offensive block there by Rachel Dakis.
After that first lead in the game para sa Malaysia, 1-0. Nabawi natin dito, 2-1 in set number 3. Valdez to serve. Under the ball.
Great read there. Nice coverage by the Philippines. And Gia Morado talagang very smart going for Eliza from behind the attack line. Nobody saw that coming, not even us, James.
And the back row spike of doom. Wala dito kay Eliza Valdez.
Kita mo naman, sabi nung blocker, doon pala galing at hindi niya nahabol. That is what is the beauty of attacking from behind the attack line. Napakahirap i-block.
Magkakataon pa rin para sa Malaysia.
Great coverage on both sides here. Play continues.
Gonzaga over the defense. The looper will
Sabi
work.
naman ni Gonzaga, kala niya because medyo nasira yung timing niya doon, but still she was able to score off of that off-speed spike. One more time on that. Yun ang intensyon Sinadya niya, di ba? And Malaysia just wala, umiiling na lang sila. They were there.
The service brought to you by Smart Live More. Off speed, dug up by Denden Lazaro. Combination. Shot in the finish.
Talaga naman, we'll take it any way you can give it. Off speed again this time. Watch Gonzaga. She just outsmarting the Malaysians here. At masakit yung libero, pinapagapang mo ng ganyan, ano? The best defensive player on the other side is unable to answer.
And a service ace brought to you by Smart Live More. Eliza Valdez continues to cook.
And we know that Eliza Valdez is also a force from the service line. She was one of the top servers after yesterday's first match against Indonesia as well.
6-1 lead. Back in a moment. Malaysia calling for time. They are trailing after a 6-0 blast para dito sa Team Pilipinas. The score is 6-1 dito sa set number 3. We saw an excellent running attack from Shunting Bay. But after that, Team Pilipinas executing Jovan and Gonzaga. The good search for all para sa Team Pilipinas.
Kita mo naman, the way we scored our points in that last sequence, no? Sa mga off-speed, sa mga dinks, talagang inuutakan na lang natin ng Malaysia ngayon. And we've got it all. You know, we've got the attacks, we've got the killer attack from this girl. She is the team captain of the team and the pride of the army as well. And really, tinitingala at rinirespeto na ate.
And this service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Trump serve. Break down sa taas. Buhay pa rin. Gonzaga gives it back.
Malaysia here a chance to set up.
Lazaro diving for it.
Basa ni Lazaro.
Oh, what a dump and a finish.
And Malaysia needed that. You know, they had a drought since they scored first in this third set. This is a must-win for them. On the other hand, you want to just take this set already and go home with a straight set win against Malaysia in time for the game against Vietnam.
Oh!
A day after today. Ako na. Nahuli si Denden Lazaro doon.
Rare mistake para sa backline ng Team Pilipinas as Malaysia serves up an ace. Now looking to go on a run for their own. Would read that time.
I'm sure that got the coach of Malaysia all upset because now is the time when they don't want the service errors. We seem to have gotten rid of ours. We've been pretty successful from the service line. Let's not jinx it.
Jaja Santiago, service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Chase down.
Somebody was at the net.
crossing,
Gone fishing over there. Nahuli sa net.
This time the Philippines falling into a string of errors. Tatlo na lang, hinawakan na lamang, 7-4. And Malaysia to serve.
Ito, number 5 of Malaysia, one of the taller players in their team.
Umaatake na rin yung Malaysia mula sa service line. Mas matutulis na yung service. Uy, hindi kumuha to sa running. And the Philippines will get on the board for the lead. Heading into the first technical timeout here at set number 3. We are up 8-4. Magandang umaga Pilipinas at maganda ay pinapakita ngayon ng ating mga volleyballistang Pinay. We are up 8-4 here in set number 3 and we are up 2-0 kontra dito sa koponan ng Malaysia. All smiles para kina Abby Maraño, Rachel Dacus, but you know that they mean all business as they play as this service brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Do not let those smiles fool you. This girl has really been showing everyone why she is the captain of this squad. Jovelyn Gonzaga has been such a force in today's matchup against Malaysia.
And the Philippines will score on that one. Tumama sa net, went out of bounds. Hindi na hinabol ng back row ng Team Pilipinas.
And this player, this is the team captain of Malaysia. We're talking about her kanina, si Bei Shu Ting. She's 29 years old, one of the more senior players here. Pero mga players na 33 years old na rin, 35 dito sa Malaysia. Halo-halo yan. Meron din sila mga 19, 18-year-olds. But really, volleyball is not their sport. Pero it's worth mentioning na wala pa silang talo sa women's basketball. Doon naman sila umaarangkada.
Malaysia now on the offensive. They break the blockers.
We've seen them do that a couple of times too earlier. And that is where they're getting their confidence. No? We're going to see them try to challenge our blockers couple more times. Si Morado kasi, as you mentioned, yun na nga, hindi kasing tangkad. Although talagang tatalon na tatalon yan. Ayun! Nabasa ng Malaysia. Tip coming from Morado. She goes outside now.
And Dacus will wind it up and put it down.
Yan ang gusto ni Dacus, yung mga open sets na ganyan eh. Aral na aral niya yung mga yan.
Medyo unorthodox yung gather niya, pero ang ganda panoorin. She slows and goes.
And it's just when you look at such a beauty like her and with the athleticism that goes along with it, talaga naman kahanga-hanga itong si Rachel Damas.
Service brought to you by Smart Live More. That one is long. Kita-kita. Nasa ilalim siya ng bola.
We'll take those errors and get the points any way we can. And of course, Malaysia needing to really just do away with their unforced errors that have been plaguing them all game or all match. Rachel Damas continues to serve.
Back set for the attack.
Our blockers are there.
And Abby Marano waving her finger saying, no, 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 not while I'm on the floor.
Nakaka-intimidate talaga kung may Abby Marano ka sa mukha mo.
BMDC, and you saw that when she was playing and winning championships for De La Salle University. Former UAAP MVP, former Best Middle Blocker awardee sa Superliga. Since na-draft siya, at mukhang may rotation error
may
yata.
pito bago yung service error. Lucky for Rachel
Buti.
Damas, and she knows it. You know, we talk about the smiles from these girls. See, Eliza Valdez was also was very generous about the kinds of advice that she gets from her coaches. Coach Tyke, Coach Roger, smile lang, be happy, and your talent will shine through, sabi niya. And that's what the girls are doing. They really have so much joy in their playing for the Philippines, you know, for their country.
And Coach Tai actually explained that, na pag ikaw yung nagsasasayaw ng gano'n, it relieves pressure from your players. So nakikita ka lang gano'n, the move becomes light as this service is brought to you by Smart Live More.
Ayun, yung natural na talent mo, lalabas at lalabas because you're not uptight, you're not stressed.
Oh, what an attack and a finish para dito sa Malaysia. And again, they go to the side to send medyo maliit yung blockers as the Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.